Spring is almost here, and I'm at 973 Fieldstone Drive. What a great opportunity for you to live in this wonderful private road community. It is great. You own about 3 acres here, and it overlooks a wonderful pond. This house was very well cared for. The roof, under the house, everything about it has been meticulously maintained. And it's got a great screen porch overlooking the outside. Plus, this house has a barn, so you can have horses out here in the field. It is so cool, it's so cute, it's got such personality. You're gonna love it, so call me. Call JoJo Jones, 478-731-1302. This is an opportunity to be where you want to be in a location that you're going to love. Call me.